Welcome to Bend Creek, guys. We're with Brad Frisbee today. We're going to have a long day and a fun day on the Tug River.
Absolutely. Larry and I got the Jacksons loaded up, heading over to Warncliffe, West Virginia.
Coal mine town, right?
Yeah, on Coal Camp. Hello everyone, thank you all for tuning into the channel today. This trip's one I've been looking forward to for about a year and a half now. A lot of you guys that watch my videos are familiar with the Friends of the Tug Facebook page. And I am out on the tug today with the founder of that page, Pete Runyon. We have his brother Charlie with us today and their neighbor Fred Minnow Runyon. I believe we put in at Bend Creek is where we put in. If you guys are not familiar with this area, the little eastern tip of Kentucky, where Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia come together, is about 1,000 feet from where we put in this morning. The first 7 miles of this float is completely remote. There's nothing but a railroad track that follows the river through here. It is absolutely gorgeous. Pete contacted me about a year and a half ago, asked me to take this trip with him, and we've been trying to coordinate it. So I'm finally glad we got out here today, and it is not disappointing. It is absolutely gorgeous. Hard to believe the undisturbed nature we have out here. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button.
A guy back in the 80s, and that's all he used. He'd come up here and he used the white. He used more of a grub.
Yeah.
That's all he
We are floating. I'm gonna go up and around. Just do something different. Fish on.
What you catch him on?
Fluke. Fluke.
That's pretty.
Good way to start the day.
Sure is. I'm gonna fish with you. You know what you're doing.
I got lucky. Yeah, he's probably 10, 12 incher.
Huh?
He's probably 10, 12 inches. Time I put him on the internet, he'll be about 21. A little Eddie. That boat went through there easier than mine did. Pete, how many did you get out of that hole?
Three.
Three?
Real quick. Real quick. Man, I caught one on a little small wacky rig.
Yeah.
Real light colored. Little bait like for a net rig. And I caught two on green pumpkin right here.
Okay. Now, did you say Fred? Is it Fred or Mano? Which one you? Mano. Now you all brothers?
No.
No. Okay, just your neighbor. Okay.
We don't even like each other. No, we're lifelong neighbors and friends.
Okay.
I threw the fluky out, threw the pedal tail. I need to get me one of them white. There's a deer down there crossing the river.
The longest day fishing in your life.
Now, I've had some long ones.
Like today, you I had one hit on this water crossing.
Really?
Coming in that shoal back there.
I'm adding this clip because I wanted to show you how clear the water was in this section. If you look closely under my boat here, there is a large boulder underneath me, and you can see it perfectly as I float over it.
You any bite?
bites at all?
Not yet. I'm about ready to go to something that's a little slower. I'm throwing this little white fluke again. Usually I had pretty good luck out of it. That white fluke.
You got it. Like a pro. Like a couple old pros. Didn't sweat that a bit, did you?
Rerun is better than two run.
There you go.
There's a lot of rock up through here.
There's a lot of rock.
What's fish?
Beautiful place, though.
I'm hoping we get into them very soon.
We will, I think.
I think he's got 5, 4, 5. I've got 4, I think.
All right.
It's got black and gold flaky in it. Yeah.
Right now,
Tell them where we're at.
we're at Glen Allen.
All right.
2.5 miles below Bend Creek, one of the prettiest sections of the river right here. Got a little quick elevation drop. Beautiful area all the way up through here. We've seen deer, we've seen 3 otters today. It's a section like no other in the river. Okay.
One of my favorite benefits of starting this YouTube channel is all the great people that it's allowed me to meet along the way. And Charles Runyon, Mano Runyon, and Pete Runyon are just an example of some of the folks that it's allowed me to meet. Now, before we started the trip this morning, Charles wanted to have a word of prayer for some safety before we got started, but in the excitement of things, we forgot to do that. So before we started this rest of the journey, Charles took a second to ask the good Lord for some safety on the rest of the trip. And he might even slipped in a request to put us on some fish.
I don't fear to. Jag on had one.
Had one.
Yeah, but didn't pull it hard enough. I thought I was going to hang it.
What's working?
We ran across a few fishermen today on our float. Most were members of the Friends of the Tug Facebook page. This happens to be Joshua Stacy, who I found out has his own YouTube channel, which is FRO Fishing. So you guys hop over, give him a like and subscribe.
Everything we got, just, they're not biting a lot. What'd you say the name of your channel was?
FRO Fishing.
FRO Fishing. All right, we'll check it out.
Slick Rock is a unique place. It's solid bedrock all the way across the river. And Pete told me that he used to drive a gas truck across the river at this location.
Charlie.
Hey, there you go, Charlie. What's that on?
Ned rig. Pete.
I'll get around you. I think it scares me too bad. I think it scares him too bad.
Doesn't hardly screw his butt.
Charles checked out on us, didn't he?
All right.
I ain't seen him in a while.
It's been a dink fest. Hey, child rig. That may be a better one. $13.
It's a beautiful day.
Oh yeah, it's been perfect for it.
Well, I got mine in yet to about 7.
I probably somewhere in there.
I don't know. You're up there pretty good. All you guys have caught more than me. So I got a kayak. I use Giddy.
That's a good one.
What'd you kill with?
Still Ned rig. Well, tiny child rig.
That's pretty good. What is that, about 12?
Yeah. He's over in that dead water. I've caught about 3 that size today. We've been on the tug lot down that way, but not up in this, through this section.
Right, yeah. I told you, it's a beautiful river.
It is.
Far down here to Bait Creek.
There's some small stuff on the west side.
Oh,
Are you feeling it?
I am feeling it. And then some.
Got it hard.
Long day,
Wear that
Pete.
battery out, Pete.
Battery was died. Pete, I hope you didn't.
Larry and I'd like to thank Pete for inviting us along on this float today. We had an awesome time. Looking forward to getting out on the tug again. We complained a lot about the fishing today. Said it was kind of slow, but in reality, we caught 75 to 100 fish between the 5 of us. If you're not familiar with Pete's Facebook page, Friends of the Tug, hop over there and check that out. Pete's got that up to about 13,000 members now, and just a wonderful effort he's got going there to promote the Tug River. Again, thank you all for tuning in to the channel. If you do me a favor, if you're not a subscriber, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you, guys.